Are you guys excited for the next episode of Super Dragon Ball Heroes? I know I am! Booyakasha! I know it's been a while since I've done my last video, but I've been busy drawing up posters for my next project at school. I also have my computer classes. Oh yeah, and I got a special email from the mysterious game master Fu, and he wanted me to draw him in his super form. One thing you don't know about Fu, but when he gets angry, his hair sticks up, and he kind of looks like a Super Saiyan. I don't know how he's capable of doing that, but it seems like he's the only creature in existence that could do that who is not a Saiyan. Remember Fusion Zamasu? Well, basically, he could transform into a Super Saiyan whenever he wanted, because he's half Saiyan now. And I was thinking that maybe Super Fu might be half Saiyan. Well, I don't know exactly. Haven't seen the guy much in action lately, because every episode of Super Dragon Ball Heroes is about, is only 15 minutes, and it only lasts, and it only shows up every few months, every month. It's pretty awesome to see in action. Makes me come up with an idea for a new show. Poke Digi, Rise of the Time Guardians. It's when duplicates of the original heroes, along with the human fighters, along with the original trainers like Ash, Go, Silent, Serena, Nene, Mikey, Kudo, and also Tai and Mako, join forces and work together to save other timelines from being destroyed. And basically, they get along just fine. And they go around and save timelines from evil. Anyways, the first time we saw Fu in this form was when he faced off against, you know, Cumber, when he was a giant deadly ape, or Ozaru form. As we all know, Fu is the evil Saiyan, who also went on a rampage, and whenever he touches someone with his evil aura, it makes them go berserk. And, Fu has been harvesting Cumber's power as a power source for the universe tree, which he's using to steal from the other universes to become stronger. Sure, creating a universe is awesome, but using one that only you can control, that's just wrong. I'd rather create a universe tree and then grow a new universe and then share it with the rest of the universes as well. I'd rather share it with the rest of the multiverse rather than steal from it. After all, the universe is everything. I hope you learned your lesson by now, Fu. Oh yeah, one more thing about Fu. When he was a baby, Toa threw him into the void of time and space. That's right, folks, get this. Toa is Fu's mother, or Fu, as they say in the anime. You could just call him like the game master of Super Dragon Ball Heroes. After all, Xeno Goku and Xeno Vegeta think of him as a jerk, but basically he's hostile and misguided and unaware of his past. He was lonely and was possibly looking for friends. I remember when the first episode of Super Dragon Ball Heroes Big Bang Mission was released, and basically that guy, there was something about that guy that I liked, which is why I drew him in one of the episodes. And basically, when I saw Super Fu in action, it made me have the chance to realize that there was something special about him that I didn't know. It's like he was actually a hero in this... He was actually a part Saiyan. Well, we don't know that for sure. He brought back multiple villains from the past. There was Zamasu, Cooler, Metal Cooler. Let's see. There was Turles, Bojack. Let's see, what else? Oh yeah, Super Android 17, which we'll see in another episode real soon. I hope we see him again in Super Dragon Ball Heroes. Basically, what we saw was that Super Android 17 will face against his counterparts, the Android 17 from Dragon Ball Super. Basically, he will never become him. I don't know if that'll change the future or something. After all, Super Android 17 is a Dragon Ball GT exclusive character. Yeah, I know. Pretty amazing, huh? So basically, we see that Fu has his t-shirt on, and he carries a sword in his hand. I don't know when we're gonna see him in that form again. Possibly against Vegito in his Kaioken technique. And by that I mean Vegito Blue Kaioken. Basically, the Kaioken increases the fighter's abilities, but it takes a huge toll on them, and it might rush to their heads. Alexa, what is the Kaioken?
Here is a biography of Ken Kaio, YouTube star who uploads fashion videos under the username Adam Hackerheart. The channel has amassed over 100,000 subscribers and 7 million views to date. He was born and raised in England.
Basically, another thing about Super Fu, we don't know if he's a demon or... We don't know if he's a demon or not. Basically, I don't know if Deborah was a father to him, or Xeno Deborah for short, but my memory is just a blur. I never got to know who his father was. Oh yeah, and here's his sword. Hey Fu, if you're watching this episode, then there are a lot of dark secrets you don't know about. Plus, I'm a fan of your work, and I'm really excited to see that new universe of yours come to be revealed. Because I adore the Big Bang mission very much. And I hope to see you and Dogi Dogi complete your task. Whatever this mission is, I hope that the universe tree stays comfy in his new home. Plus, I'm well aware of the universe tree's existence. And, well, this goes out to all you Dragon Ball fans, along with your great designs that you've been working on, like masterpieces and stuff. Alexa, play Super Dragon Ball Heroes Galaxy Mission theme.
Sorry, I'm not sure.
Hold on. Alexa, play Super Dragon Ball Heroes Galaxy Mission theme.
Super Dragon Ball Heroes Big Bang Mission theme.
There we go.
By Miura Jam on Amazon Music.
Anyways, that's how you draw Super Fu. So, if you guys are wondering when the next episode of Super Dragon Ball Heroes is coming out, you can go to the YouTuber who's posting them, and I'll see and I'll see what more information I can find out about the Big Bang mission. So, anyways, I'll see you guys again soon, and I'll let you guys know what kind of awesome character I'll draw you guys next. And, Vegito, see if you can take on Fu. We don't know what tactics he's capable of. And Fu, good luck on your dream. I respect you, man. See you soon, guys. And have a lucky day.